Hello, welcome to the JG Better For Me challenge. We're at week 5, and this week we're going to be looking at the proverbs that says, a lawyer looks at you with one eye and look at your pocket with two. All right, and we're using the Jamaica Proverbs Journal to go through this activity. And the English meaning of this is: a lawyer isn't interested if you're innocent or guilty. A lawyer only cares about the fees. And the activities that you're going to be looking at quickly is you're going to be listing 3 times somebody used you, right? How did that make you feel? You're going to look at, have you changed since then in terms of allowing people to use you? What did you learn about yourself? You're going to write what you learned about yourself. What have you done to prevent this from occurring again? Because we have to, if we find out that people easily use us, then we have to do something about that, right? And then you're going to be ranking your self-worth behavior. How much do you value yourself to not allow people to use you? And then this week, we're going to take the time to value ourselves, right? And again, you have to list your strengths, your weaknesses, and the rewards. And why is this important to you? And you're going to look at rating the challenge. So, looking forward to seeing you next week. Bye.